Hey everyone, imagine this. You're cruising through busy city streets with the family during the week. Then on the weekend you want to hit the open highway for a long road trip without ever worrying about running out of juice. What if you had an electric SUV that delivers serious power, spacious comfort, and enough range to make range anxiety a thing of the past? Well, today on Babar Drives, we're diving into one of the hottest new contenders that's giving the Tesla Model Y some serious nightmares, the 2027 BYD Sealion 7. This all-electric family SUV from BYD is generating massive buzz across the globe, positioning itself as a direct rival not just to the Tesla Model Y, but also the Kia EV5, Xpeng G6, Decode SO7, and Leapmotor C10. If you're hunting for a next-generation electric SUV that combines space, performance, and value, this one is definitely worth watching closely. Let's walk around the new 2027 BYD Sealion 7 together and break down what makes it such a strong player. Starting from the backside, the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 makes a bold first impression. The rear design looks wide, athletic, and modern, with a sleek fastback-inspired roofline that gives it a sporty yet practical stance. The full-width LED taillights create a sharp, distinctive light signature that lights up beautifully at night, while the sculpted bumper and aerodynamic details hint at its efficiency-focused engineering. Open the tailgate, and you're greeted with a generously sized cargo area that's perfect for real family life, whether it's school bags, weekend luggage, sports equipment, or a big grocery haul. The low loading height makes it easy to toss things in, and the overall proportions suggest excellent practicality for daily use and longer trips. Compared to the Tesla Model Y, the Sealion 7 feels a bit more stylish and coupe-like from the rear, while the Kia EV5 looks more upright and traditional. The Xpeng G6 brings its own elegant flow, but the BYD stands out with its confident proportions. Let me ask you this: when you look at the back of an electric SUV, do you prefer that sleek, fastback style or a more boxy, traditional design for maximum cargo space? Drop your preference in the comments. Now moving to the left side, the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 really shows off its dynamic personality. Long, flowing character lines run along the body, giving it a sleek and muscular appearance that makes it look longer and more premium on the road. The wheel arches are nicely filled with stylish alloy wheels, and the overall stance sits just right. Low enough for great handling, but with enough ground clearance to handle light, off-road paths, or rough city roads without drama. BYD's color palette, including those striking two-tone options, adds a fresh and modern touch that younger buyers are going to love. Park it next to a Tesla Model Y and you'll notice the Sealion 7 looks wider and more substantial, while the Model Y feels a bit more compact and minimalist. The Decode SO7 has sharp futuristic lines too, but the BYD brings a more balanced and family-friendly presence. If you had the keys to both the Sealion 7 and the Model Y right now, which one would you take for a fun weekend drive? Let me know below. Switching over to the right side, the build quality feels solid and premium. Tight panel gaps, smooth door closures, and that overall attention to detail give you confidence that this SUV is built to last. The wide-opening doors make entry and exit easy and convenient, especially for families with car seats or older passengers. Subtle chrome or black accents along the lower body add a nice premium contrast, while keeping the design clean and sophisticated. Compared to rivals like the Kia EV5 or Xpeng G6, the Sealion 7 strikes an excellent balance, large enough to feel commanding on the highway, yet still easy to maneuver in tight city parking. Let's step inside, because this is where the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 really shines. The cabin feels spacious, modern, and surprisingly upscale for its class. You're greeted by a large, higher-resolution curved display that combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system in one seamless setup. The graphics are crisp, the interface is smooth and responsive, and it supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are wrapped in quality materials with nice stitching details, offering great comfort for long drives, and higher trims are expected to include heating and ventilation options. Ambient lighting sets a relaxing mood, especially during night drives. Second row passengers get plenty of legroom, dedicated climate controls, and fast charging ports to keep devices powered up. Storage solutions are thoughtful and plentiful. Throughout the cabin, the overall space feels generous thanks to its longer wheelbase and wider dimensions compared to many competitors. Here's a question for you. When buying a family EV/SUV, what matters most to you? Massive interior space, a huge touchscreen with great software, super comfortable seats, or class-leading range? Tell me your biggest priority in the comments. Under the hood, or rather in the floor, the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 offers serious performance. You'll have two main powertrain choices: a rear-wheel drive single-motor version with 230 kilowatts, and a powerful all-wheel drive dual-motor setup delivering a combined 390 kilowatts. That's serious firepower. The AWD model is expected to sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4.5 seconds, while the RWD version should manage it in about 6.7 seconds. Torque figures are equally impressive, with the AWD likely pushing close to 690 Newton meters. Power comes from BYD's renowned Blade LFP batteries in two sizes, 82.5 kilowatt hours or the larger 91.5 kilowatt hours, giving WLTP range estimates between roughly 456 kilometers and 520 kilometers depending on the variant. That's right up there with the best in class, and more than enough for daily commuting plus weekend getaways compared to the Tesla Model Y. The Sealion 7 offers similar or better range in some configurations while bringing more interior space. Thanks to its larger dimensions, it's longer and wider than the Model Y, while maintaining a very close height. The Kia EV5 and XPeng G6 are strong contenders too, but the BYD's combination of power, options, battery tech, and value could make it a real disruptor. So here's a good one for the comments. Would you rather have the efficient rear-wheel version for maximum range, or the powerful all-wheel drive model for thrilling performance? Which one would suit your driving style? Now, let's talk price. While official Australian pricing isn't confirmed yet, expectations point toward the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 landing somewhere between 55,000 Australian dollars to 65,000 Australian dollars depending on the trim and powertrain. This would put it in direct competition with the Tesla Model Y and other key rivals like the XPeng G6 and Kia EV5. It's expected to arrive in the first half of 2025, so we'll soon get full details on features, standard equipment, and exact pricing. The smart money says it won't dip below the higher entry-level models, positioning it as a more premium family EV option. Final verdict: the 2027 BYD Sealion 7 looks like a serious contender that could shake up the electric family SUV segment. With strong performance figures, competitive range, generous dimensions for excellent interior space, and BYD's proven Blade battery technology, it brings a compelling mix of style, practicality, and value. It may not have the global brand recognition of Tesla yet, but in terms of specs and real-world usability, it has everything needed to challenge the Model Y and other established players head-on. So what do you think? Could the new 2027 BYD Sealion 7 actually steal the spotlight from the Tesla Model Y and the upcoming Kia EV5? Would you consider putting one in your driveway? If you enjoyed this in-depth look and want more honesty reviews, comparisons, and future car breakdowns, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to Babar Drives, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support helps the channel grow and brings more exciting content your way. Thanks for watching. Stay charged up, and I'll see you in the next one.